island of volcanoes. This island is full of natural beauty. Whenever you go, you can see colorful volcanoes, beaches with amazing waves, and black picturesque lava ground. Lanzarote is the easternmost of Canary Islands in the Atlantic Ocean. It's a Spanish island, but geographically it's much closer to the coast of North Africa. The island of eternal spring is its second name. Lanzarote has subtropical desert climate. It rains rarely and hot sun is out all year round.
In Hamea del Agua, it's a volcanic tunnel with different lakes inside. And as we're under the sea level, then all the seawater becomes filtered and it's crystal clear, as you can see. Inside this lake, you can also see different rare species. For example, the most famous are the white crabs, and they're white because of these black caves. They haven't had sedimentation.